Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well today. It is pretty early, kind of early in the morning. It's almost 9 o'clock. I just dropped my big kids off at school. The baby is napping, and I have a few things that I want to get done before I go and do a grocery pickup, because I am going to include a grocery haul in this video. But first I want to clean out my refrigerator. It's pretty gross. You'll see. And I definitely want to do that before I get groceries, so there's not as much in there to take out. But before I do that, I also need to like tidy up my kitchen, because I feel like I need to clean before I make the mess, and then I'm going to be making another mess, but whatever. I feel like that's the story of my life. But I'm going to tackle the refrigerator, clean up, tidy up the kitchen, and we'll see what else I can get done, because I have like 6 loads of laundry that have to be folded. Because once again, we've all been sick, just getting over a cold, everybody in our house. And then the baby also has an ear infection now. So we're just tired and falling behind. So I need to try and catch up a little bit today. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna clean the fridge, tidy up the kitchen, do a grocery haul. I also have to go in to the grocery store to pick out my produce, because I don't like to get that through pickup. I feel like I always get produce that isn't good, so I'm gonna go in and pick it out myself, and then come back, do the grocery haul. I'm not even making sense, you guys, because I'm so tired, but we're gonna tackle what we can today, and that's just gonna be as good as it gets. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new around here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my little YouTube fam. I would love to have you stick around, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like the more vlog style videos, because that's what this is gonna be. I don't think I'm gonna do much of a voiceover, because again, time, and I'm tired, and everybody's sick, and it just is what it is at this point. I'm just trying to do my best, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll get into the cleaning right now. Hopefully I can tackle the entire tidying up of the kitchen and the refrigerator before the baby wakes up, because my grocery pickup order is between 10 and 11, so I like to go into the store first and then pick my groceries up, so I don't have groceries waiting in the car. Whatever. We're gonna get into the cleaning now, because I'm just rambling. But let's do it.
Lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. Care that my mind's gone insane, and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain. Just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart drums the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up, 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 up. When I'm with you, I'm with you. I'm with you. Pink sky ride, going faster, getting wilder. Don't care if I get out of line. You feel that beat getting harder, floating on it. We're rebels, at least for tonight. I don't care that my mind's gone insane, and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain. Just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart drums the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive,
didn't sleep very long, as you can tell. But that's okay. We're gonna work with you, huh? You can smile. So it doesn't look too bad at first glance, but just wait till I get everything out of it and I will show you the grossness.
I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode. Facing the night, even though I won't believe it, the truth is a light, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I gotta get away from here. I gotta get it through my head that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down, but I don't wanna have to break too much longer. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I miswithdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stay too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster. When I'm with you, I feel different, like I'm brand new, less ignoring. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head.
Alright, so I'm going to try to get through this grocery haul really quickly. I'm wearing Hunter and I'm probably out of breath because I'm hot and it's been a rough day, you guys. Just a rough day. So we're going to get through this really quickly. So I got some donut shop coffee pods. Ready rice, the jasmine's my favorite. Elbow noodles because I want to make goulash for dinner one night. Then I got Velveeta mac and cheese, but it's all wet, the box, so I feel like I probably shouldn't keep it, but I'm not sure. And then ground pepper because we were out. Some more taco seasoning because we're running low and we have tacos every week just about. Snack wise, like for lunches and stuff, I didn't get much, but I did get a variety pack of the Great Value chips, some Ritz crackers, the cheese and the peanut butter because they're our favorites. Some honey buns, and then lunch meat. I got 2 packs of ham, a pack of salami, and then some pepperonis because my husband wants to try like these pesto Italian subs for lunch at work. Some tortillas, sub rolls for those pesto subs, and then some sweet Hawaiian rolls. This is the only bread that my kids will eat in their lunchbox. They say it doesn't go soggy, the other bread goes soggy, so it is what it is. And we obviously love some yogurt, so we got some Go-Go Squeeze pouches, some yogurt tubes, and some Danimals, and then also a big pack of apple sauces because the kids love those. I got a pound of ground beef. That's the only meat that I got for like dinner wise in this order because I already have like chicken and pork chops and all that stuff in my freezer. And then here I got some canned goods. I got some diced tomatoes, always good to have on hand if you want to make like chili or something. A couple cans of chicken broth, a can of baked beans, some banana peppers for those Italian subs for my husband, some ranch because we were out, Italian dressing also for those subs, and then pesto, which is also for the subs, but this is what you saw busted in the bag, and I'm actually going to keep it because it only like popped open and some of the oil leaked out of it, and I think I probably did it when I was bringing it in, so I'm just going to use it for his subs. It'll be fine. And then produce wise, I got a bag of grapes, 2 peaches because Brayden requested peaches this morning, a bag of mandarin oranges, some green bananas because I already have yellow, you can kind of see them back there, yellow back there. And then I got a bag of broccoli, a bag of green beans, a bag of little potatoes, and a bag of sweet peppers. This is Dalton's favorite snack, and they're good in like dinners too. A dozen eggs, some sugar for sweet tea, some decaf tea bags, and then some little frozen pizzas for the kids. They love these. They're only $1 too, and it's easy for like a quick lunch or a quick dinner. Don't mind that back there. That is just ew. That is just pumpkin bread that I made last night. And then over here I got Hunter some baby foods because he is 4 months old today, so he'll be able to start baby foods soon. We have you hear him, guys? He's so sick still. We have our 4-month well check this week, and if she says it's okay to give him baby food, then that's what we're gonna do. Over here is some non-food items that I picked up, some baby spoons for the baby food, an outfit for him 6 to 9 months because he is growing, and I got some bibs that have like the plastic on the inside because we only have a few bibs and he goes through them like crazy. Dry shampoo, necessity. I was out of shampoo, and then I'm almost out of dishwasher pods, so I picked up some of those. Then over here I have some drinks. I have milk, Kool-Aid jammers, always the 0 sugar ones because Brayden has diabetes. They're good for his lunchbox. And then some sodas. I always get like the Walmart brand because they're cheaper and they taste the same to me. They're like half the price of like regular Coke. So that is, I think that's everything that I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all put away, or at least the cold stuff really quick, so I can put this baby down because I'm sweating, y'all.
Right, every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. 'Cause lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Before I knew it, I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built a wall to shut it all out, but now it's even made of concrete. This part so cold life. This part so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. 'Cause lately I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down.
Alright guys, so this is what the overstock closet looks like. If you are not new here, you might remember that this closet used to be like a linen closet, but we needed more space for food. We don't have a pantry. All we have is that little cabinet that you guys saw in the kitchen. So this is for like overstock, toilet paper, paper towels. I also keep like these snacks right here are reachable for the kids because they cannot reach that pantry closet or the cabinet in the kitchen, and this is just easy access for them to be able to, you know, get stuff on their own, so I don't have to get up and do it every 10 minutes. But yeah, that's what this is. So now I'm just gonna go out in the kitchen, clean up the mess that I made from taking everything out of its original packaging, and then that is gonna be it for today's video.
I'm never coming down. Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel alone.
Alright you guys, and this is the final look at the refrigerator. I need to make some more tea, but I'll get to it. But there's a lot of stuff back there. Feels so good to have a pretty full fridge though. But here's everything. These are the kids' snacks, drinks and eggs, leftovers, butter, random stuff. I did not wash any of my produce or fruit or anything. And then there's cheese and lunch meats in here. And then all of the produce down there. But that's how it looks, and it feels so good to have a clean fridge, y'all. But that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you can hear me. I'm trying to be quiet. The baby is sleeping not that far away from me. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys got a ton of motivation from this and you enjoyed this little like vlog style grocery haul clean with me. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join my little YouTube fam. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.